Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Welcome to our today's class. Dear students, in previous classes we have discussed about the executive group, the judiciary group and the legislature group. They are the organs of the government. Every government has these three organs and every government has an administrative system. Today we will discuss about that administrative system of Bangladesh. In all administrative system has two sectors. First is central administration and second is local administration. Central administration means which administration is regulated from the center of the country, or local administration means which administration regulated by in the local area by the local people or the local representative of that places. We know Bangladesh is a unitary form of government and Bangladesh has a unicameral legislature and we have one central government and we have no provincial government or provincial parliament. That means our central administration is regulated from our central government, and this administrative system is totally implemented by the executive group of the government. Do you remember who are the executive group? Yes, students, all of the government employees are the members of the executive group of the government and they implemented all of these functions of government. So at first, central administration. We know central administration is regulated from the center. Dhaka is our capital and our parliament is situated here. And for that reason, all of the government works are regulated from the Dhaka. And we know our secretariat is situated in the Shegun Bagicha of Dhaka. And the secretariat is the main workplace of the executive group, and in that place our central administration is situated. And our central administration is regulated by these groups or these members. Here we have 8 members from each ministry. That means our each ministry has separate secretariat or separate sector. Bangladesh government has many types of ministry. Like Bangladesh government has the education ministry, and this education ministry's head of the ministry is the minister, and under his or her we know our education minister is an woman and her name is Dr. Dipumoni, and her under work is the senior secretary, and her under was secretary, and his or her under additional secretary, his or her under joint secretary, after that deputy secretary, after that senior assistant secretary, after that assistant secretary. All functions of the ministry is regulated by the minister, and all works are done by this secretariat. And minister has done her work by the advice of this secretary, and these secretaries are they are appointed by the Public Service Commission, and gradually they are promoted. From the minister to the assistant secretary, and about their activities, the central administration is bounded. After these works are working in a chain work. When minister take a initiative, after that they transfer he or she transfer work to the senior secretary. He or she transfer work to the secretary, and like this chain, the work is go to in a chain work. After that, assistant secretary. After the assistant secretary, the decision go to the local administration. That means this assistant secretary and the main group of the local administration is works like a bridge between the central administration and the local administration. And the first step of the local administration is divisional administration. That means when a decision taken by the central administration, after that works distributed to the all divisions, and we know we have 8 divisions now. That are the central administration of Bangladesh government, and it has some activities. You will read the book and find out the activities of the central administration, and it has a history of our central administration. Obviously, read the book and solve the worksheet. Thank you very much, students.